A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. It's my proud privilege and honor to introduce myself as part of the top management of Tamgha-e-Imtiaz public schools and colleges. I am a retired Air Commodore Saif-ul-Islam, having taken over my duties over here in Mansehra campus as Director Administration. I have a record of over 3 decades of meritorious service in the Pakistan Air Force in the domains of aviation, human resource management and administration. Tamgha-e-Imtiaz Public Schools and Colleges was founded in 2007 and boasts for nearly 14 years of excellence in the education domains. Malik Muhammad Said and Madam Halima Said were the founder principals of this establishment. Their sapling has now transformed into a strong tree, ably led by Malik Mohsin Said, who is also the Chief Executive Officer and Chairman of Board of Directors. Alongside Malik Mohsin Said is the administrator cum principal here at Tamgha-e-Imtiaz Public School and Colleges. The vision of this chain of education system is to produce the future leaders of Pakistan. That is done through providing quality education and character building with exemplary discipline of the students. In order to accomplish that, we have an able faculty, a very experienced staff, which is coupled with this congenial environment where the students can thrive. Furthermore, the Tamgha-e-Imtiaz Public School and College Mansehra campus is today conducting a major event in the form of annual function in which we are going to award scholarships accounting to nearly 5 crore rupees. Indeed, a total of 20 crore rupees was earmarked by the leadership for scholarships at the end of the entire chain. Out of these, 650 students will be today awarded these scholarships. Now, we have the proud Tamirians which are boasting of their achievements in different perspectives. May I proudly announce that in the 2020 examination, our children of metric scored the top 3 positions in the Abbottabad board. Similarly, in the inter-examination also, they bagged the top 3 positions. The offshoot ETA studies have also been not left behind, and our students led that in the first position as well. As far as MDCAT is concerned, we gained good position in that as well, and positions from 9 to 14, excluding number 11, were taken by the Tamirians. And we are very proud of these students who stand tall and make us proud as an institution. Apart from providing quality education, the obligation of fulfilling the community services and community welfare is also on the agenda of this high institution. For that, we are programming in the form of scholarship programs, the orphan programs for the girls, and the recently introduced Khatam-e-Nabiyyin or Huffaz program, which is already in place, and you will see in the today's ceremony awards going for those children as well. So I, as Director Administration of Mansehra campus, intend taking on this place as a challenge and lifting it to the highest levels comparable to any top institute in the country and even abroad at the Asia level in the initial stages. Thank you very much. Tamir-e-Watan Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.